watching and worth being around. And it just sent that message. It was a bad exchange, and I've always felt bad about it. I've always felt like it was not the right thing.
Yeah, you know, and he seemed to signal you that he knew exactly what was going to happen to him when you write about you're walking home with Chris and he was drunk, and then he was tossing furniture, blah 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 blah, and then Chris suddenly stops and turns to you and asks if John Belushi is in heaven. Like it was, which is eerie. He was kind of hung up on that, like I'm Belushi. That it's inevitable.
Talk about it a lot, and in this moment where he was extremely drunk and really opening up, some part of his psyche, that was the question in his mind. Do you think Belushi's in heaven? And there's a lot of problems with that question for me. Well, first, there's no heaven. Second,
right, let's get to that.
Second, I don't think the people from Earth, whatever, are existing as some version of themselves, walking around, and that you can then talk to them and play chess with Abraham Lincoln.
Right, it's such a childish... I guess we all need the inevitability of death. We're all going to die. No one gets out of here alive, right?
Yeah.
And so you sit here and you go, oh God, I need some kind of story to cling to. I can't ponder my own demise and never exist again. It's too much.
Yeah.
Again with Chris, the thing for you, it felt kind of sad in the sense that when you were at Saturday Night Live and you didn't feel, here you are a guy who believed he was always funny. When you were a little kid, you would perform in school, you would get up and read. You were always pretty sure that you were a funny guy. And then you get to Saturday Night Live. Did you ever feel like screaming and saying to these people, I am funny? Right
away. The first time that meeting with the writers meeting, I remember thinking, I wanted to say, look, I'm not a pro yet. I got a lot to learn, but I'm here for a reason. Out of the whole country, I got asked to join you for a while. You want to give me a shot? You want to maybe help me? Maybe tell me how it could be better? I don't get it. You just asked me to come here and then just shit all over me. And I tried to proceed with that sensibility when I went forward and worked with on Mr. Show and the Birthday Boys and many other shows, Tenacious D and Tim and Eric. That sense that